guys almost at this the house where this Toyota is. It's like a pre-runner build. I don't know exactly, but it's lifted really high, so we're gonna check it out. This guy's trying to sell it. So if you're interested, if it hasn't been sold yet, then I'll probably put the link in the description. It's on OfferUp. So right now we're just gonna go check it out, see how it looks. All right. This is the truck. Okay. I think I got King struts, I believe. Got a roll cage on it. Thing's locked. Owner's working on some vehicle right now, but he let me look at it. I don't know if it's running, but it's a pretty cool build. I mean, it's got roll cages all over. It's got mud terrain tires on it. What are these? Baja MTZ P3s. Mickey Thompson. Damn. Some XD wheels, I think. Oh, there's the inside. Oh, here we go. That's the inside right here. Got some Corbeau seats. Got a little skull, shift knob, double din. Spare tire in the back. Oh, yeah. Woo, we are high up here. ARB compressor. Little knob right here. This is for the seat belt. RPM gauge. I don't know why he has that. I guess so he knows when to shift. That's a shift set right there. Got a little light right here. I don't know what that is. Got some subs back here. Some Rockford Fosgate P3s. I don't know what size these are. Like they look like 10s or 12s. Got a little box. Yeah, that's how I look in here. Got a roll cage in there. Okay. TRD. Okay. Got some lights in the back. Ditch lights. That's how it looks in there. Got that. It's got a winch. XRC, I think. Rigid. Some rigid lights right there. Yeah, it's for sale, so I mean, you see this video. Oh, it's a smittybuilt winch. Yeah, that's the RC. So if you see this video, I'll put the link in the description. It's there for sale, so check it out. Little Tacoma truck lifted. What year is this Tacoma? It's a 98. 98? Alright. Yeah, it doesn't ride that bad. On the road. We got subbing back to that work?
Yeah.
Is that 210s or 12s?
210. Yeah. It sounds
Rockford Fosgate. It's manual too, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. Got the roll cage all around. ARB compressor? That one?
Yeah, that's for the rear locker.
Okay, so we're about to take it out on the dirt, like up in the hills over there, up ahead. But something happened, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But I don't want you to get shocked or anything. I mean, the truck has been sitting for a while probably, so. But yeah, unfortunately we weren't able to shoot more video. But yeah, you guys will see what happens. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Uh-oh. I think we're gonna walk back. I think we ran out of gas.
Grab some gas.
So basically the truck ran out of gas and I had to go home. I had some other things to take care of, so I just left the truck there. I wanted to shoot some more, but you had to go 15 minutes to get gas. It's located in Waddell, Arizona. If it's still up for sale, I have the link in the description. It's on OfferUp. It's got a custom exoskeleton, custom front axle, so it's really capable off-road, rock climbing especially. So check it out. The reason he's selling it is because he got a dune buggy. And thank you for watching. Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. And AZ Cruiser out. See you on the next one.